Most machine learning courses start the same way: 3 months of linear algebra, 2 months of calculus, and 0 lines of actual code. It's a productivity killer. You feel like you're not ready for AI because you can't derive a partial derivative from memory. Stop, you're doing it backwards. The best developers don't learn theory in a vacuum. They build first. I've seen countless junior devs get trapped in tutorial hell because they tried to master the math before the tool. The secret to leveling up fast is top-down learning. Implement the solution first, then learn the theory only when you need to optimize. Today, we're skipping the textbooks. In the next 15 minutes, we are building a fully functional machine learning model using only Python and scikit-learn. No calculus, no complex proofs, just clean code and a working model. By the end of this video, you'll have your first ML project ready for GitHub and the confidence to actually start your data science journey. Let's dive in. You've seen the roadmaps: linear algebra, multivariate calculus, probability theory. The experts tell you that if you don't master these first, you'll never really understand how AI works. So you do what you're told. You spend 3 months staring at symbols that look like a foreign language. You're solving partial derivatives on a piece of paper, but you still haven't written a single line of actual ML code. That is exactly where the burnout happens. You start questioning your intelligence. You tell yourself, maybe I'm just not a math person. But here is the truth: that academic approach is designed for PhD researchers, not for software developers. In the industry, you don't need to derive the gradient descent formula from scratch just to build a model that predicts house prices or detects fraud. You're treating machine learning like a math class when you should be treating it like a software project. Every hour you spend memorizing theorems before seeing a result is an hour you're losing your momentum. It's the most efficient way to quit before you even start. You don't need a math degree to be dangerous with data. You just need to start building. So you want to learn machine learning, but every course seems to start with months of math. That's the traditional approach, but it's not the best way to get started. You can build your first ML model in just 15 minutes without any math prerequisites. That's what we're going to do today. We'll use Python and scikit-learn, 2 of the most popular tools in the industry. You don't need to be a math whiz or have a PhD in computer science. Just a willingness to learn and some basic Python skills. If you're a junior web developer or a CS student looking to transition into data science, this is the perfect place to start. Our goal is to build a simple ML model that can predict outcomes based on input data. We'll use the famous iris dataset, which is included with scikit-learn. This dataset contains information about different types of iris flowers, and we'll use it to train our model. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. We'll need NumPy, pandas, and of course, scikit-learn. Next, we'll load the iris dataset and take a look at the data. We can see that it contains 150 samples, each with 4 features. These features are the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. Our goal is to predict the species of iris based on these features. We'll use a simple classifier called a decision tree. Don't worry too much about the details. Just know that it's a popular and effective algorithm. We'll train our model using the training data, and then evaluate its performance using the testing data. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we've built our first ML model. You can find the code in the description below and try it out for yourself. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out the courses on Coursera, Udemy, and DataCamp. They offer a wide range of courses and tutorials to help you take your skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Look at that! We just built a functioning ML model without touching a single derivative. Most people think you need a PhD in math to start. You don't. You need a project-first mindset. Now, if you want to move from beginner to professional, you will eventually need the theory, but do it the smart way. I've linked the best industry-recognized certifications from Coursera and DataCamp in the description. These courses focus on implementation first, so you don't get bogged down in textbook formulas before you've actually built something. Stop overthinking the prerequisites. Start building. Hit subscribe if you want more Code First guides to breaking into AI. Check the links below to grab those certifications and start leveling up your portfolio today.